Question number 10. Find the equation of a straight line through the intersection of the lines 5x minus 6y is equal to 2 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 10 and perpendicular to the line 4x minus 7y plus 13 is equal to 0. So we have to find the equation of this straight line which is passing through the point of intersection of these two lines. So this is the point of intersection. This line is passing through that line point as well as it is perpendicular to this line. Okay, one line is given, so it is perpendicular. We have to find the equation of this line. Okay, so point of intersection of we have to solve. Perpendicular we have to find slope. Okay, so first consider the two equations and we have to solve. Either we can eliminate x or y first, no problem. I am going to eliminate y. So 6 and 2 LCM is 6. So multiply by 3. 3 2s are 6. Here 6 is there, so no problem. So first equation as such we can write. Second equation multiply by 3 to make it as 6. So if we eliminate, we will get 14x equal to 32. So x is equal to 16 by 7. Now we have to substitute this in the first equation or second equation. I am substituting in the first equation. 5x value 16 by 7 minus 6y equal to 2. 5 into 16, 80 by 7 is equal to minus 80 by 7 minus 6y is equal to 2. Minus 6y equal to 2 minus 80 by 7. Take LCM, multiply 7 here. 14 minus 80 by 7 is minus 66 by 7. Bring minus 6 here. So we will get y is equal to 11 by 7. When you write point of intersection, first we have to write the value of x, then y. So 16 by 7 x value, y value 11 by 7. Okay. So first point of intersection over. We solve the equation and find the intersection. Next perpendicular. So we have to find the slope. After the word parallel or perpendicular, either 2 points or one equation will be given. Here equation is given. Write down the equation and find the slope. Slope is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. So minus 4 by minus 7. So 4 by 7. This is the slope of this line. Okay. But we have to find the slope of this straight line. This is the required straight line. So as they are perpendicular to each other, slope of the perpendicular line, we know, change the sign and write its reciprocal. This is 4 by 7. So change the sign and write its reciprocal. We will get minus 7 by 4. So we get one point and one slope. So 1 point, 1 slope among these 4 equations. The second equation we have to choose, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 11 by 7 is equal to minus 7 by 4 x minus 16 by 7. Okay, take LCM. So 7y minus 11. Here take LCM, 7x minus 16. The 7 will be cancelled. Okay, then cross multiply 7 here and 4 here and multiply inside the bracket. X is negative, so bring it to the left hand side. Both the terms minus 49x plus 112, you have to bring it to the left hand side and simplify, and we will get the equation of a required straight line. Question number 11. Find the equation of a straight line joining the point of intersection of two lines are given. To the point of intersection of again two lines are given. Okay. So point of intersection we have to solve. Again point of intersection we have to solve. So after the word point of intersection, two equations will be given. So this is the meaning. So first set of two equations are given. These two lines. Okay. Next set of two equations represent these two lines. So we have to find the point of intersection of these two lines and these two lines. So we are going to find the equation of this straight line. So this line joining these 2 points. That is the meaning of the question. Right? Now write the first two equations. Equation 1, 2. So here 3x, here 1x. So multiply by 3 to make it as 3. So we can easily eliminate x. So 3x. Okay. So the entire equation, first equation as such we have to write. And the second equation we have to multiply by 3. All the 3 terms we have to multiply. That's very important. Then change the sign. Here plus 3x plus 3x. It is not possible to eliminate. So we have to change the sign. That means we are subtracting these two equations. So change the sign for the second equation, all the terms, all the three terms. So 7y equal to minus 4, y is equal to minus 2. Now we have to substitute the value of y in the first equation or second equation and find the value of x. So we get x is equal to 0. Okay. Next, point of intersection, x value first, y value next. So 0 comma minus 2. Next, write down the second set of two equations. Okay. So here, this is the second equation. In the same question, first and second equation already we mentioned, so that I am mentioning this as third equation and fourth equation. Xy should be in the same side, so bring x to the left hand side as minus x. 3 let it be there in the right hand side as a constant. Now LCM of these two, 7 and 1, here minus 1 is there. So multiply by 7, LCM is 7, so multiply by 7, here already 7 is there. So write the third equation as such and fourth equation we have to multiply by 7. Already different signs are there, so straight away we can add. If same sign is there, we have to subtract and change the sign for the second equation. Here we can add. So 11y equal to 9, y is equal to 9 by 11. Substitute the value of y equal to 9 by 11 in the third equation. This is the third equation. Substitute 9 by 11. So 7x minus 27 by 11. Bring minus 27 as plus 27 by 11 here. Take LCM. LCM is 11. And we will get 7x equal to minus 105 by 11. So 7 and 105 if we simplify, we will get x is equal to minus 15 by 11. So point of intersection, x value first, y value next. Minus 15 by 11 comma 9 by 11. Okay. So we got two set of points. First point 0 comma minus 2. This is 0 comma minus 2. Now this point is minus 15 by 11 comma 9 by 11. Using these 2 points we are going to find the equation of this straight line. So using 2 points, what is the equation? Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So substitute the values as it is fraction. Do carefully. Minus into minus plus 2. Here minus 15 by 11 minus 0. So the same number. Fraction in the denominator, write the reciprocal here. Here take LCM. So 9 plus 22, 31 by 11. Again fraction in the denominator, write its reciprocal. This 11 and 11 we can cancel because it is product of two terms. So we can cancel. And cross multiply. 15 into y plus 2 is equal to, here minus is there. This 31 will come here. Minus 31 x. As x is negative, bring it to the left hand side and this is the required equation. Question number 12. Find the equation of a straight line through the point of intersection of two lines are given and bisecting the line segment joining the points. So we have to find equation of the straight line passing through point of intersection of these two lines and bisecting this line. Bisecting means through the midpoint. This line is passing through the midpoint of line joining these 2 points. So we have to find point of intersection means we have to solve the 2 equations. Bisecting means we have to find midpoint of these 2 points. Line joining these 2 points. Okay, first as usual we have to solve. Write down the equations. Here coefficient of x is 8 and 4. 8 and 4 LCM is 8. So multiply this equation by 2. So write the first equation as such and multiply the entire equation by 2. Okay. We are going to eliminate x. Both are same sign. So change the sign the same way. Plus so minus. Here 18 also plus so minus. So it will be cancelled. Minus 7y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. Because 0 by any number 0. Any number by 0 infinity. Don't forget 0 by any number 0. Any number by 0 infinity. Now we get the value of y. It is 0. So substitute the value of y equal to 0 in first equation. Okay. So if you substitute y equal to 0. So this will become 0. 8x equal to 18. X is equal to 18 by 8. That is 9 by 4. This is point of intersection. X value first, y value next. So x is 9 by 4. Y value is 0. Next, bisecting the line joining the point. So bisecting means we have to find midpoint. Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So substitute the values here for x1, x2, y1, y2 and we get the midpoint as minus 1, comma 1. Okay. Now the point of intersection and midpoint. Using these two we have to write down the equation of a required straight line. So 2 points are given. We have to select the equation. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So y minus 0 by 1 minus 0 is equal to x minus 9 by 4 by minus 1 minus 9 by 4. So it is y by 1, take LCM, so 4x minus 9 by 4, take LCM, minus 4 minus 9 by 4. Minus 4 minus 9, it is minus 13 by 4, y by 1, it is y. Now fraction in the numerator, write the same fraction. Fraction in the denominator, write its reciprocal. 4 will be cancelled. We will get 4x minus 9 by minus 13 in the right hand side. Now cross multiply, minus 13y is equal to 4x minus 9. X is positive, so bring these two bring minus 13y to the right hand side, so we will get 4x plus 13y minus 9 is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Dear children, thank you so much for your kind cooperation. Chapter 5 come to the end now. I hope you can understand all the sums easily. I send the formulas. Study all the formulas. The same, copy it in your note also. So complete all the sums in the classwork note. Thank you so much.